Today I want to show you how to make a shadow in your design in Illustrator. So I've got my layers here, and I've actually already created a shadow, but I'll show you how easy this is to do. I'm going to take this layer up here that has already all my shapes done. And by the way, again, every single letter has at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, at least 2, 4. I mean, mine has well over that. I would say 2 per letter in terms of compound path cutouts is the minimum. I would expect you to do a lot more than that. So if you don't know how to do that, go back to an older video. But here we go. So I'm going to take this awesome design and I'm going to copy it. And I'll lock this one, make it invisible, so I don't accidentally mess with it. I'm working on layer 1, copy 5 here. Select the whole thing, and I'm just going to tell it to make the whole thing fill black. And I can make no stroke if I want to. I could put stroke. I don't think I'm going to have a stroke. No stroke. So, oops, for some reason, it did not fill that in black. That's interesting. Let's just see what's going on there. Very interesting. Why did it do that? I want to check this out while you guys are here because, okay, oh, it's locked. Make sure all your paths are unlocked. That's a no-brainer. All right, whoopsie. So, again, select everything and stroke of black, or fill black. Looks like I'm missing one too again. I bet there's another one here that's also locked. I just have to find it. And an easy way to do that, let me show you a trick here, is if that's the case, I'm going to grab this right here. So you can see that's all selected. Oops, hold down the shift key, grab this, and if I go back and look at all these, at some point, aha, there we are, I found it. See how that's like kind of highlighted with that little asterisk? That's telling me that that's the one I'm looking at. So why it won't let me give it a stroke of black, I don't know, or fill black. Interesting. So object, you know, if that happens, I can just live paint it, make, and then say okay. There we are, done. Okay, so now that that's all done, just keep it all together. Object group. Okay, so there's my shadow, and obviously this layer right here, which is the layer with the graffiti design, has to be above it. Lock that again so that doesn't get moved, and then work on this layer and then move this down, and you can see clearly the shadow appearing below. You know, how far you want it is up to you. Obviously it doesn't have to be black specifically, I just think that looks better if it's black. So that's how you make a shadow. Pretty easy. Again, like if you wanted this to be gray, you could just come in and maybe, you know, reduce the opacity and it's gray now. And also if there was something behind it, the shadow would like the thing underneath it would show up. So that's kind of cool too. So I think I'm going to do that. But that's how you make a shadow.